What's up YouTube, Manuel here and welcome to another video of Lifestyles and Sneakers. Today we're going to be doing an on-feet review of the Lebron 17, so stick around. What I'm going to do is similar to what I did yesterday when I did the Air Max Penny 1 on-feet review. So I'll be wearing the Lebron 17s first with shorts, move around with it, walk around with it, and then give you my thoughts and opinions about the sneakers. And after that, I'll be wearing some pants to show to you guys which pants or which bottoms can look good on the Lebron 17s. So let me lace them up and show you how it looks. So this is the Lebrons. This is how it looks on feet. Pardon me with the lighting because this is the actual lighting in our house. So yeah, it looks good. It feels good. So guys, I'm wearing now the Lebron 17s and I'll be honest with you, these sneakers are really comfortable. I didn't expect that a Lebron sneakers will feel this comfortable. I was kind of worried about the Air Zoom unit because it's bottom loaded. I mean, I was worried that I wouldn't feel the comfortness of the Zoom Air, but then now that I'm wearing it, I can really feel the Zoom. It's really soft. It's really like it's like stepping on a pillow. And the Air Max unit is very good. It can really feel it. I mean, I never worn a basketball sneakers this comfortable. It has the same Air Max unit as the 270s, and I love the 270s. And I think that airbag unit will really help you on a basketball court. So the Flight Post-it is actually also good because just like how they advertised it, it's really soft. You feel that your heel and your ankle is really supported. Now I'm currently wearing it and it's really locked down. I've seen a lot of reviews that the sizing of these sneakers is half a size down. However, my pair is actually one size up. So instead of a true to size of size 10, I got a size 11. And for me, it's just right because like I mentioned, I like a little bit of room on my forefoot so I can move around my toes. And because of the Flyknit or the BattleKnit technology, it really helps. Now, I've been wearing these sneakers for roughly about 10 minutes now, and I can really feel that it's getting warm inside because there's a lot of materials on the forefoot. Apart from the nip, it has a foam, it has a lining, it has a support. I mean, so many things. I saw on the internet someone cut his Lebron and there's like 5 layers of materials on the forefoot alone. So yeah, I mean, definitely these sneakers can be really warm. It's good for basketball if you're only playing basketball because normally you will only play basketball for 1 hour or 2 hours. But then if you're gonna use it for daily use or for lifestyle, strolling in the mall maybe, but definitely not for a whole day affair. if there's any negative thing that I could mention while wearing these sneakers, is that the edge of the tongue or the piping on the tongue is a bit thick, and it's always hitting my ankles because on top it's quite wide. So the edge of the tongue is actually hitting the edge of my ankles. So I can feel a little bit of pain, but I wonder how it feels when I play on it on the basketball court. But the thing is, maybe it's only me. It's how my ankles are constructed towards the sneakers. It might not be the same for you guys. So it might not really matter for you guys compared to me. So now let me try them on with my pants. Guys, did you like how it looked? Which pants do you think fits well with the Lebron 17s? please hit the comment section down below because I would like to hear from you. So as you've noticed, I wore the same exact jeans that I wore yesterday when I did my on-feet review of the Air Max Penny ones, because I wanted to check out which of the pants could fit well on each sneaker. So I'll be using the same exact pants for the Air Jordan 34 tomorrow when I do my on-feet review. So what I've actually noticed, earlier I mentioned that there's a little bit of pain that I'm feeling because of the piping of the tongue. As I wore the sneakers longer, the pain was gone. I think it's just, you just need to break into the sneakers. As of the moment, I'm not feeling that pain that I initially experienced. Then again, it's not for everyone. It depends on the structure of your ankles or of your feet. It has nothing to do with the sneakers itself. So guys, tomorrow I'll be releasing my detailed review of the Air Jordan 34. Please check it out, and to follow it up, I'll also be releasing another on-feet review for that sneakers. So please check it out and hope you watch all our videos. Before we end this video, let me remind you we have an ongoing giveaway, sneaker of your choice in your shoe size. Please hit up the description box below to know more of the mechanics. One of the mechanics of this giveaway is for you to watch every single one of our videos from October 1st to 31st, beginning to the end. And to make it easier for you guys, I will create a playlist which you can see starting tomorrow. So check out that playlist so you can play all our videos and you won't miss anything. So guys, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed another video from Lifestyles and Sneakers. I hope you continue to support us. For all new subscribers, welcome to Lifestyles and Sneakers. We look forward to seeing you in the comment section. And as of the moment, let me apologize to you guys because I've been busy. I haven't checked all the comments yet, but definitely I will answer them one by one. Just give me some time. Before we end this video, I just want to remind you again, giveaway, sneaker of your choice. Check out all the mechanics down below. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. Follow us on all our social media accounts. Until next time.